Detroit mother who refused to hand her daughter over to Child Protective Services workers was back in court today. 7 Action News investigator Heather Catallo has been on this case that has made worldwide attention from the very beginning. Heather, what happened today?
Well, this case really helped change how kids are taken from their parents in Wayne County, but it's far from over. Even though a judge previously threw out the criminal charges against Marianne Godboldo, the Court of Appeals reversed that decision, sending her back to court here in Detroit.
When Marianne Godboldo refused to hand her daughter over to Child Protective Services in March of 2011, she never expected a police standoff complete with tanks and the SWAT team. Godboldo was charged with 8 felonies, allegedly for firing a gun into her ceiling when police broke down her door.
And we can't lose sight of the fact that this was a mother who was protecting her daughter from a very dangerous and deadly drug being forced upon her by CPS.
But Judge Ronald Giles tossed out the charges, saying the child removal order used to take 13-year-old Ariana was invalid. The 7 Action News investigators exposed how the Wayne County Juvenile Court was breaking the law when it allowed probation workers to rubber stamp a judge's name onto that Godboldo order and others. Judge Giles ruled that because the order was never valid, all of the evidence in the Godboldo case had to be tossed out. But the Court of Appeals reversed his decision with a catch. The appeals judges actually suggest in their order a different argument that Godboldo's lawyers can use, an argument of self-defense.
The Court of Appeals, Ms. Fulmer and I believe, are expressing another set of facts that the court should look at. That basic premise that this was a break-in by the police into a single mother's home protecting her child remains the case, has never been challenged.
The Wayne County prosecutor obviously still believes Godboldo broke the law in this situation. Judge Giles put off his decision on whether to dismiss the criminal charges again or pass this on to the circuit court until March 14th. Jeff.